Gavin's and Gavin's adventure. Today we're in Walchsee. Yay!
Hi guys, okay, we're gonna go for a walk, for a stroll. That's the lake. So sea is actually lake in sorry, German. So it's winter time but walay snow. Okay, so this is the Walchsee. So they also have an ordinance where you should have a linen fish tank. So you should tie your dog because you might hurt someone. Dagag maligo diri papa.
No.
Deceive, besitzerin, betreten und baden. Ah, it's not allowed. Baden is verboten.
Betreten.
Huh?
Dili.
No, here. Ay, siguro this side.
Dili sa. Kay law mo kay na.
Alam day na.
Bato.
Ah. Papa, picturean sa na ko kay naay shadow.
No, here's betreten verboten.
Ikaw dira mama, ayan kay ka dira. Lagi to.
Wait. Kaya ako sa i-video. Nice kaayo. Nga, ito na mi guys. Mora. Walking. Balik ta diri ugma. Gavin. It's not allowed to kuhan di ay. What? Lako pa ta guys. Sumuna ang lake.
Let's go to the city. The city.
Guys. Well, I'll not just I'll go to Papa. Papa, pause. Nadi sila cafe bistro Garren. Na Spielplatz. No, wait lang. He's holding it for you.
Holding it, no, destroying it.
So, dili allowed rin magligo, Papa?
Pick a side.
Ah. Pero naaman joy duck, so...
So the poop.
Yeah, there's a lot of poo-poo. C'est lavé, so you can have coffee in C'est lavé. That's a park plats. You like it, Gavin?
Yes.
Why? Yes.
Yes.
Why?
I like it. I want to go to the city.
Nasa sila public na CR.
Public sea or?
Like open for the public. Like you might there, that's the lake, guys. Sus, kung nice snow dire. Wala naman nag-snow. Like last week, grabe ang snow. Karon na week, wala. So, yeah. This is like from Munich, like 2 hours. Oh, another view, kuya. Oh, nice.
Wow.
And Gavin, can you stand there? Loy kaya akong anak kasi kung pa-picture. More there. There. Okay. Is there a way? Oh. Nice kaayo, guys. limpyo man siya. Pero normally, of course, kung may ducks kay daghan jud iti-iti. But still, yeah. Nice. So, padung mi sa city. Na sila gamay-gamay na city. Oh?
Mama, basahin.
Mama, what is Himmel in English? Himmel.
The sky.
Okay. You know from God? From the sky?
Sa mama namatay?
No, what? No, it means that Yulinana Hova is a
Mm-hmm. Is there a mill?
No. There is back there.
Okay. Go weiter.
No. You can understand Schreibschrift.
You can?
No, you can't.
Ah.
Yeah, because you still don't learn the strive.
Yeah. You're learning
Stay
Drukschrift.
aside.
So guys, ato mi og city mangita og food. Palit lang mi pan siguro or pizza for our dinner. Diya ilang city, so small town na kayo siya. Or technically a town. Small town. And then nabalik na tayo tomorrow na sad. But normally manage yung mga tao for ski. In summer, different adventures. But for, of course, winter, obviously. We go for. Mga tao gikan uban sa ski. So, yeah. Wala pa makita og food but we'll find it soon. Yeah, Gavin? What? We're gonna find food. Is there food here? Don't know where to go. Ha?
Pizzeria. What's a pizzeria?
Yeah, I think may restaurant there, Papa. Uy, padaplin, oy. Okay, so say bye. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Say bye, Garren.
Bye. See you in the next in Gavin's adventure. Bye. Have a great day.
Yeah.
Water.